How to fix iPhone stuck on red battery screen. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix iPhone stuck on red battery screen. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. First step is make sure that your iPhone is plugged in. So plug it in into a charger for about 30 minutes, and after you do that, try to open up your device. Press the power button, long press on it to start or open up your device. Now if that does not do it, sometimes the quality of the charger might not be good, so that can prevent your iPhone from opening up or charging from the 0%. So make sure that you have a really good charger, the original one, and then you can charge it off. After that, if it still does not open, there might be some issue with the battery itself. So what people do is people heat up the battery. You can use a hair dryer for this. So heat out the battery a little bit, not much, but doing that, your device should power on. Now after it powers on, to prevent the future black screen issue again, you might want to go to your settings, check for your battery health, head over to battery, and after you're here, head over to battery health and charging. So head over to battery health and charging here. Then you should see your battery health, that is maximum capacity. So yeah, you will need to replace the battery if needed, if it's not a really good a percentage there. So after you've done that, you might want to then if it still does not open up, you might want to get it checked by yourself. And yeah, that's how you fix the problem. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye.